Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Floki Inu coin on your Coinbase wallet. Our first step is to simply open up the Coinbase wallet. And once the wallet opens up, you make sure you possess some Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain, seeing as those options or those tokens are currently usable on the Coinbase wallet. So you simply head over to the browser, which is at the bottom of the screen right here. Once you've clicked on it, you simply scroll down till you find Uniswap, or you could scroll till you reach the swapping menu, where you have Quick Swap, Sushi Swap, Paraswap, Uniswap, and 1inch. And we'll be making use of Uniswap, seeing as Coinbase is an Ethereum-based wallet. You could as well change the network by heading over to the settings. The D app network can be changed at the settings. So you simply click on Ethereum, scroll and click on Binance Smart Chain Testnets. It's basically an Ethereum testnet, but it's still there. Or you could click on the BNB Smart Chain, which is here, as you can see highlighted here. Head back to your browser, click on Uniswap, open up the Uniswap interface. Once it loads in, and Uniswap has successfully loaded in, make sure your wallet is connected. As you can see, my wallet is currently connected right now. I do not possess any cryptocurrency assets on it. But once you possess Ethereum or any other Ethereum-based token, you simply minimize, open up your Chrome, copy the Floki Inu Ethereum address. You could as well open the drawdown and have access to its BNB Smart Chain. As you can see, BNB Smart Chain is also available. You then open up your Coinbase wallet again, click on select token, paste the contract address of which you want to use, which is the Floki Inu. Click on Floki, click on I understand, and enter the amount of Floki you'd like, which is 0.0001, which is equivalent to 4,713 Floki. But due to insufficient Ethereum balance, we can't proceed with this transaction. But if you do have $29 worth of Ethereum in gas fees, you could then click on swap and click on confirm swap. That's how it's done. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Floki Inu on your Coinbase wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.